This is real hate from Washtenaw County after I called them being harassed by TC Ghetto Gardner and the Apparates crew. So they follow me to the car wash, front and back, Washtenaw County. Front and back. Can you believe that bullshit? Washtenaw County Sheriff Department, true haters. You won't believe this. Can't make this stuff up. Washtenaw County, in the front and in the back. Washtenaw County. Let's check behind me. Huh? Right. How often do they come through the drive-thru and get their car washed? This one had went past me, and then so that's a total of 3 cars. 3 cars.
Most of y'all wrong. Well, yeah, you can't have yourself in that situation again. No, don't do that again. And stay single. That was my last. That was my last. Stay single. Are you thinking about telling your baby mom? Oh no, that's something.
3 cars.
Okay.
Can't believe that. Washtenaw County in the front, Washtenaw County in the back. There they go. Isn't that something? Follow me into the car wash. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? This is how they do me. Total harassment. Follow me to the car wash after I called the cops for a dog chasing me in the park. How ridiculous is this?